Hello everybody, let me start this video by kind of giving a little bit of love to something I love, and that's the Nissan Leaf. So this is not a commercial, this is just something to help you Nissan Leaf owners out there maybe get a little bit of a discount on the CHAdeMO adapter from Electway. Patrick over at Electway did tell me that for the month of July they are giving a $50 off if you use the promo code CHAdeMO hyphen, you know, the line like a minus sign hyphen, CHAdeMO hyphen adapter. Think about it. It's worth it. Welcome everybody to some Tesla charging. I mean, I'm charging right now, as you can see, but that's not what I'm here. I'm not here to talk about me charging. I'm talking about other cars charging. CCS cars. So now that I gave my love to the Nissan Leaf, my lovely Nissan Leafs that I kind of dearly miss, but I do not regret hopping into a Tesla just due to the fact that these things here behind me. And I noticed that everybody, once they, if you guys remember, like 7 months ago, when they were announcing that Ford, Chevy, Kia, Hyundai, all these cars were going to be allowed to charge at these chargers here, everybody got really excited. But then things kind of lagged and drove, you know, it took a long time. Ford, I think, eventually went ahead and released their CCS adapter, and then slowly everyone else did. Kia still hasn't, and I don't know if Hyundai has and stuff like that, but, you know, there's other adapters out there. You can go on Amazon and check all these adapters out. Some are expensive, some are cheap. You kind of want to stay away from the cheap ones. Patrick over at Electway sent me an adapter, a CCS to NACS adapter to test out, which is in the Kia EV6 at the moment. And also Penny at Sixpence EV sent me one. And we've been using those. In fact, we're gonna pit 3 adapters together. We're gonna have a adapter battle later this week, and that should be fun. But at another company called FOCSPROD, it's FOCSPROD, sent me an adapter last week, and I don't have a CHAdeMO car here to test. My girlfriend is actually on the other side of town on her way here, so I figured maybe later this week we'll use her car for the battle of the adapters. But I kind of wanted to show this off today. This is the newest one we got, and like I said, this is from FOCSPROD, and it's a lot smaller than the other adapters that we have. The other ones are a little bit bigger and a little bit lighter. This one's actually really hefty. It's heavy for its size, and it has a little bit of artistic flair to it, as you can see. Look at that. NACS goes right in there. That plugs right into your car. Now, Steph, my girlfriend, has been using this along with the one from Electway, from Patrick's company, over the last week or so, and she loves the Electway one. That one's reliable. It's just 100% reliable every time, but it has some issues, which I'm going to talk to Patrick about possibly fixing in the future. But it works flawless. It works every single time. This one here does not work every single time. Sometimes you have to unplug it and plug it back in, then it works. It's never failed to charge the car. Just sometimes you have to, it's a little finicky at the moment. And it could just be it's being used on a Kia EV6, which at the moment is not really allowed on these, but it does work. But the locking mechanism, freaking strong, man. This thing is great. This is the one that goes on the CCS end. And then the one that, this is what she likes about this adapter, is the one the NACS goes into. It grabs it really well. And Patrick's, the one from Electway, grabs it too well. And I'll attest to, she's not lying about that, because I went to pull the Electway one off, pull the cable out once, and I couldn't get it. It was just stuck. Even when you press a button, it sits so tight. I mean, no one's gonna walk by your car and yank it out. That it just flew out of my hand and onto the concrete. Didn't scratch it at all. These things are sturdy as hell. But there's something, it just over time, The Electway got a little bit looser, but it still sticks, which, you know, you got to be strong to pull it. So like I said, no one's going to be walking by your car and unplugging it. But this one here is her second favorite, and it's just due to this. Me personally, I haven't had to use these because I've never owned a car that had CCS. And because mine was Chatamo 1772, and that was it. And now NACS. So I've never had to really use it. The only adapter I really had to use was the Chatamo adapter. This, I'm gonna go ahead and unplug my car. Oh, let's get that out of here. And I want to see what she's talking about. So the car is done. I'm gonna go ahead and plug this in. Ooh, yeah, it does. Yeah, no one's pulling that out either. But that's not what I'm worried about. Like I said, we know this thing works. She's used it numerous times over the last week, maybe 5 or 6 times to charge her car. And this is what she's talking about. Now, I have used the Electway one, so I know how hard it is to pull off. That's pretty easy. You just barely touch it. It releases. Clicks on nice. Touch it. No throwing it. I like that. You're not going to lose it on the ground or in the bushes or anything. You're not going to scuff it. Well, I bet you could throw this thing and it wouldn't scuff anyway. Yeah, I just wanted to show you this one right now and highlight this one. If you want it, hold on a second. I actually have a code you guys can get with this one too, I think. Somewhere in here. They send me a code. Let's see here. 9. Ethan. I promised a video from them a while back. Hold on. Once it's published, blah, blah, blah. Let me find the code because there's a discount code on this one also. I don't know if there's a code. Who needs to save money? They're not expensive anyway. But he did want me to read this, so let's get this out of the way. FOCSPROD is currently ranked #1 on Amazon in its category. Never knew that. We offer a true lifetime warranty, no questions asked. Whether it's accidental damage, wear and tear, or even natural disasters, we send customers a free replacement. That's a pretty good deal. We provide fast and free U.S. shipping. So we live here in the United States. It's free. They'd also like me to mention that just a friendly reminder, please include your unique product link. Oh, if you type in Sare, S-A-R-E, that's my name, my last name, in the video description, your viewers can access the discount and we can properly track your referrals. I get a referral off of this. I don't actually have any referrals. This might be my first one. Yeah. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead and put the link. I'll drop the link to Amazon in here. Use the referral code SARE. That's me, Hippie. And you can get one of these. That's not bad. Like I say, it's a really heavy, strong product, and it's a lot smaller than a lot of the other ones, which I kind of like. So, not to take anything away from Electway. I've been working with Electway for a while now. So, and Penny at 6pence EV, and hers too. So it's like, I can't choose my favorites. I don't know which is better, but we're going to give the pros and cons and stuff like that of each one later this week in another video. And also links to everyone. And possibly, if I can get a hold of Patrick, a second affiliate code. That would be cool. I just don't want it to use my last name. Let's either Nomadic or Hippie. Until the next time, thanks for tuning in from Celebration, Florida. I'm going home and going to bed. Peace, everybody. Hey, Patrick, let me show you the video, or let me show you this adapter real fast. So it doesn't come in a case or anything. It just comes like this. It's not a Chatamo adapter. It's a CCS to NACS adapter. The build quality, pretty damn good. It's a lot smaller than anything I've seen before. They told me the amps and volts that it'll hold, and it's pretty high. I just can't remember. I'd have to go look at my other phone. But it has a nice locking mechanism on top. It's very small. This is what makes this adapter great compared to the other adapters. Only thing. Everything else is basically the same except for the size. But it's this bottom. I'm sorry, I was getting a phone call. But the bottom locking mechanism, it's not going to wear out. It's a little bit different than yours. Yours is really hard, or at least the one I have that's in Steph's car right now. And you put it in, and it sticks so tight. Even when you press the button, you're pulling it, and then this thing goes flying out of your hand. You still got the cord in your hand, but the adapter goes flying across the parking lot, which is great. I mean, that means no one's going to steal the thing because they can't get it off. But the problem is yours works every time. You plug it into the car, plug the cable in, it's going to work the very first time, every time. Yours is flawless. It just works. But this is their product.